Mr. OKello, is it true?
No, my lord. I plead otherwise.
We are in court. Could we please have some peace and calm? Is it true?
I plead not guilty, my lord.
You plead not guilty. Okay, I have entered a plea of not guilty on count 1.
Christopher OKello Onyum bamuvunaana emisango eryena ogusooka gwa butemu nga kigambirwa nti Christopher OKello Onyum ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 ogwokuna 2026 Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center mu Ggaba Trading Center Ggaba Parish Makindye Division mu Kampala District ng'alina ekigendererwa yatta ettiku Gideon. Bamubuuziza omusango n'agamba aguwulidde naye nga si kituufu.
Mr. OKello, we are going to the second count, and it is also a charge of murder. It is contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. And the particulars of this offense are that you, Christopher OKello Onyum, on the 2nd day of April 2026 at Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Keisha Agenworth Otim. And what this offense means is that you intentionally killed or caused the death of this person called Keisha Agenworth Otim. Mr. OKello, have you heard the charge?
Yes, my lord, I have heard the charge.
Have you understood it?
Yes, my lord, I have understood the charge.
And how do you plead? How do you plead?
I plead not guilty to this charge, my lord.
Okay, I've also entered a plea of not guilty on count 2 for you.
Omusango ogwokubiri nagwe gwa butemu era nga kigambirwa nti Christopher OKello Onyum ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 ogwokuna 2026 ku Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Center, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District ng'alina ekigendererwa yatta Keisha Agenworth Otim. Era bamubuuziza omusango oba aguwulidde n'agamba aguwulidde naye n'agamba teyagukola.
Okay. So, Mr. OKello, we go to the third count or the third offense. It is also a charge of murder contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap or Chapter 128. The particulars of this offense are that you, OKello, Christopher OKello Onyum, on the 2nd day of April 2026 at Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Seryange Ignatius. And what this offense means is that with intention, you caused the death or you killed Seryange Ignatius. Mr. OKello, have you heard that charge?
Yes, my lord, I've heard the charge.
Have you understood it?
Yes, my lord, I have understood the charge.
Mr. OKello, how do you plead?
I plead not guilty to this charge, my lord.
Okay, I've also entered a plea of not guilty for this count as well.
Omusango gwokusatu era nagwo gwa butemu nga kigambirwa nti Christopher OKello Onyum ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 Ogwokuna 2026 Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center mu Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division mu Kampala District ng'alina ekigendererwa yakita Seruyange Ignatius. Bamubuuziza omusango n'agamba aguwulidde naye mbu teyagukola.
Mr. OKello, the last count or the last charge is also a charge of murder, and it is contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, chapter 128. And the particulars of this offense are that you, OKello, Christopher OKello Onyum, on the 2nd day of April 2026, Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division in Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Odeke Ryan. Mr. OKello, have you heard the charge?
Yes, my lord, I have heard the charge.
Have you understood it?
Yes, I've understood the charge, my lord.
How do you plead, Mr. OKello?
My lord, I plead not guilty to this charge, my lord.
So, Mr. OKello, I have also entered a plea of not guilty on the last count, count 4.
Omusango gwokuna era nagwo gwa butemu nga kigambirwa nti Christopher OKello Onyum ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 Ogwokuna 2026 Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center mu Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District ng'olina ekigendererwa Wata Odeke Ryan. Era bamubuuziza n'agamba nti omusango aguwulidde naye teyagukola.
My lord, we have some agreed evidence between prosecution and the defense. My learned colleague will present it.
Before then, I want to hear from the defense whether it is true you have some agreed evidence.
My lord, it is true we have some agreed evidence to be on court record.
Ms. Kiza, before you come on, I want to hear from you, Mr. Kumbuga, whether you have discussed those agreed facts with Mr. OKello.
My lord, it is true we have discussed the agreed facts with the accused person and he consented to it.
Mr. OKello, your lawyers and the lawyers for the state are saying that there is some evidence they have agreed upon And what that means is that when they agree on some piece of evidence, there will be no need to call the witnesses that speak to that kind of evidence.